How to create a Mint account. First of all, open your favorite browser and visit mint.intuit.com. When the website loads, click the sign up button located at the top right corner. You will be redirected to a new page. Click on sign up for free to start the registration process. Next, provide your email address, create a strong password, and click sign up. After that, fill in your first and last name along with few other details, then click continue. Now enter your street address, city, state and zip code and proceed by clicking continue. You will then need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and your date of birth. Be sure that you are at least 18 years old before moving forward. Agree to the terms by checking the box, and once you click continue, your account will be successfully created. After completing the sign up, Mint will prompt you to link your financial accounts so you can start managing your money. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Mint account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.